Hey guys, today I'm sharing with you a holiday makeup tutorial using products that are a must-have this holiday season, starting with MODA brushes. This is their 5-piece full face kit in their metallic edition. So you've got silver, gold, as well as rose gold. Now this is a vegan and cruelty-free brush line. These brushes are amazing. They work extremely well, so you're gonna get flawless makeup application. But how cute is this, that this holiday collection comes in this little container, so you have a place to keep your brushes as well. So it's really cute. These are $49.99, and you can find them at modabrush.com, as well as Walmart and even on Amazon. Next is the latest launch from Huda Beauty. This is her 18-piece eyeshadow palette in Naughty. Now this collection is gorgeous and comes with a multitude of different textures of eyeshadow as well as colors. So there's something for everyone this holiday season. It's $67 and you can find this at Sephora. I'll also be using the latest launch from Fenty Beauty. This is her Gloss Bomb Miniature Lip Set. This comes complete with 4 beautiful shades of lip gloss. For $36, you can find this at Sephora, as well as going to fentybeauty.com. So let's jump right in and get started with the holiday makeup tutorial. First step is to take the MODA crease brush and dip it in this color here called Juicy, in the crease and right above the crease towards the eyebrow. Next, I'm going to take the MODA Super Crease brush, and we're going to dip that into this Naughty color right here in the palette. We're going to start from the outer corner and just stay into the crease with like a windshield wiper movement. Using the MODA Smudger brush, I'm going to take that same color Naughty, and we're going to line the bottom of your bottom lash line. Taking the small shader brush, we're going to dip it right into this color called Irresistible, and it really is irresistible. Look how pretty this pink is. We're going to apply this right to the center of the lid. This is a beautiful metallic pink. One tip when using metallic colors or any glitter shadows is you want to make sure that you're pressing the product into the lid instead of swiping it. That way you eliminate any of the glitter drop off. Next, using the Triad eye brush, we're going to dip it into the color Flower Power. We're just going to apply it to the inner corners of the eye, and this brush works perfectly to deposit that color right where we want it, and it just gives that eye like a brightened look. Next, we will be applying the volumizing mascara called Lash Brag, and this is from Anastasia of Beverly Hills. No holiday look is complete without a set of beautiful lashes, and for that I have Kiss with their Blowout Lash Collection. This is Page Boy, and I'm also going to be using their new Lash Glue Liner from Kiss. Now this is a lash glue and eyeliner all in one. To finish off the face, we'll be dipping into our NARS Duo, starting with the contour color called Laguna. And with this, we're going to be using the MODA Angle Kabuki brush. When contouring, you're going to start at the top of the ear and brush that color forward towards the middle of the cheek. Now using the MODA Blush Brush, we're going to dip into the blush of our NARS Duo. We're just going to apply it to the apples of the cheeks, just warming up that color into our skin and giving it a little bit more of a glisten. Look at that. Isn't that a pretty color? Lastly, we're going to be taking our Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and this shade is called Cake Shake. So there you have the holiday makeup look. For more information, you can visit my website at rebelbeauty.com or follow me on Instagram at rebelbeauty.